Good morning. Welcome to another one of our Nordic Yacht Works boat videos. Today we're looking at a 1979 Bertram 38 Convertible Mark III. This boat is in exceptional condition. It has had the same owner for almost 40 years. If you look at the video, the top sides of the boat have been painted with oil grip about 2 years ago, and they are really shiny. From the rub rail down, the boat still has the original Bertram gel coat, which is also in great shape. There's very minor signs of use. Boat has lee senior outriggers, full tuna tower. We have the controls on the upper station as well. There's also controls on the cockpit, so it's easier to dock on certain occasions. This boat has been repowered with twin 400 horsepower Detroits about 15 years ago. The performance is a lot better now than what it was with the original 270 horse Cummins. Bottom was also completely stripped and primed and painted about 2 years ago. It's in turnkey condition, and we're going to haul it out next with the travel lift, and I'll show you some pictures of the bottom, how it looks. Also new cutlass bearings, and no vibrations at all when the boat runs. Twin air conditionings. It's definitely worth seeing if you're looking at a classic Bertram. And once we're done with the haul out, we'll put it in the water, do the sea trial, and so on. Okay, cold start parked. Bertram 38. Fairly chilly January morning, so it's really cold start. See, as soon as the engine starts, smoke clears up almost immediately, so these motors are in really nice shape. Okay, we're good to go. Getting up on plane, 38 Bertram. A little bit of smoke getting up on plane, but it clears up. Now what we see is mostly steam. Okay, let's look at the gauges. Okay, we're doing 2800 RPM. That's right on the spec for these motors. Oil pressure is good. Pretty much identical on both motors. Same thing with the temperatures. All the gauges seem to work as they should. Here's still a view going forward. A little bit chopped, but it doesn't really feel on this mountain hardly at all. GPS, doing about 33 knots. Heading south, compass is working perfect. Okay, that's the end of our sea trial part. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're looking at inside our 38 Bertram. Looking forward. This is actually the first custom modification. You can see originally this boat had a windshield, but the owner had a custom fiberglass cover made for it, and then added the cabinetry, which actually matches the original perfectly. Brings nicely more space in here. There's a flat screen TV in there. There's the other side. Got a microwave. There's more storage in there. Then there's the galley. That's my camera bag and some extra stuff on it, but it's nice and spacious. It's got a refrigerator and a freezer, both working perfectly. Sink. We got the double burner. Turning back on the other side. Switch is there. That's the air conditioning for the salon. It's working. Boat also has another AC for really hot days, and that also works. And looking at here behind the chair, there's your 110 and 12 volt distribution panels. And looking here, sofa, chair, again rod holders. And here in the center, that's the access to the engine room. We just came from our sea trial, so it's quite warm there. But I do have pictures of the engines, and I will include them on this video so you can see how the motors look. Then from the center, you have the walkway down. Go straight forward to the owner's cabin. The V-berth. There's lots of storage. That's actually a full enclosure for the fly bridge. It's fairly new and really nice shape. There's more rod holders. It's nice and cool even here, even though we just have the salon AC on. Don't really see any leaks or anything, so for the age, everything looks really nice. There's a sink, actually underneath that one, there's a separate head. More storage. And here's the main bathroom. Get a sink, separate shower, toilet, and the floor, it's also in really nice shape. Backing up there, you see the stairs, extra shore power cords. Here's the guest cabin. And some storage also in the guest cabin. Okay, and this is looking aft through the salon. Now we're looking at the cockpit of our 38. Some of you who know Bertrams better might notice that the whole floor has been upgraded on this boat. This 38s came with a teak deck that was actually laid on top of wood, and they just never really lasted. So the owner of this boat has upgraded the whole flooring into fiberglass, so it's basically rock solid. And another thing which sets this thing apart, you're looking at a Merit fighting chair. It has been completely refurbished. All the wood is refinished, it's re-chromed, it's in great shape. Storage, it's a sink. There on the other side we have a freezer, it's fully functioning. Got the combing pads all in really nice condition. There's your shore power inlet. I'll show you this chair from another side as well. Then here we have our steps up to the flybridge, and we can go up there next. Now I'm looking down from the flybridge to the cockpit. You can also see the floor, the chair, everything is in nice shape. And if you look around, you have a really great visibility for docking the boat, driving the boat. You can pretty much see everything from up here. Here's the dash, basic controls, shifters, throttles, gauges. Got fuel, bolts, oil pressure, temperature, RPMs, the same also for the other side. And all the gauges for the engines, they are fully functional. Then we have some seating space up here. And then again, the view forward. There's the helm seat, also in great shape. Then under this cover we have a couple of passenger seats with fold down backrests. Alright, that's our flybridge part.